Hey, I'm back. I decided to do a quick drag and drop for those of you that are new to Pro Stitcher. So I've already quilted one row. As you can see, it's got a gold color on my thread up here. I'm gonna zoom you in again. If anybody knows of an easier way to zoom than using my fingers, please let me know. Okay, so there's my pattern. I'm going to look at my quilt and I'm going to find this spot in the middle of my quilt in this actual stitching. So I'm going to zoom in where my needle is so you can see what I'm basing this on. So when I hit my follow button, it attaches to my needle. Now when I hit my zoom button right here, it will zoom in. So I'm going to put my needle right here on my pattern. Okay. And now I'm going to drop my needle. I'm going to hit the drag button, which is going to turn to drop. Right here, drag, drop. I'll do it again. Hit my drag and it'll turn to drop. And I'm going to release my clamps on both sides. And now I'm going to roll my quilt and you're going to see that pattern move outside of the screen, of the pink area, because I baselined it. If you didn't baseline, that's not going to move. Let me pan down here so you can see more of the screen and zoom in on it. Okay, see how my pattern's coming out of my area? Because it's now rolling underneath the frame, underneath the pole. All right, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to tighten my quilt top. I'm going to latch my bottom. I'm going to fix my rollers, put my clamps back on. And now straighten out my batting. And this Hobbs batting, you can give a slight tug. Just make sure that there's no lumps in there. Now I'm going to take my clamps back on the left-hand side. Sorry if I'm in your way. All right, there we go. And now I am going to hit where that drag button before now says drop. I'm going to drop my pattern right where my needle is. I'm going to pick up my needle, and now when I hit resume, my machine will automatically know to come to this new row. If you did not baseline, you will not see this pattern come out of your pink line, and your machine will always want to go back to the first stitch on the first row. Very important that you baseline after you set your pattern up. Okay, now I'm going to base down my sides, which I don't think you need to see, and then I'll be back when I'm getting ready to shut it off for the night. So let me zoom out. There we go. All right, so quick drag and drop. Drop your needle at the bottom of the last pattern that you did. Hit the drag, roll your quilt, straighten everything out, close your ratchets, put your clamps back on, hit drop, pick up your needle. Do not forget to pick up your needle, very important. And then base down your sides and you're ready to start the next row. I hope that this works for you. Let me know if you have any comments, if you needed to see it again, or just let me know how you're doing, okay? So we'll see you later. Bye.